What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with another video. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at Ethereum and how it is so close, so close, guys. You can see on this chart right here, so close to breaking its all-time high. So if you guys are new to the channel and you guys end up enjoying today's video, make sure you guys don't forget to press that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my uploads coming up in the near future. So as we jump right on in to this 4-hour chart of Ethereum, as you guys can see, we're pretty much just forming this upwards sloping wedge, right? Where we're getting rejected on the top of this wedge multiple times here, right? And on the bottom, same thing, guys. We're holding this as support, right? And we're barely just holding this as support right now. So, this is going to propel us either, in my opinion, to pass this all-time high, right? Or we're going to get a correction back down to this level down here, right? So, this could be the start of the correction where we get a nice correction back down to this level, which is our old little consolidation range back down here at around, 750, right? So if we do get a correction here, look for that. That's about a 25% correction if we break out of this 4-hour wedge. But I don't think that's going to happen, guys, right? Everything is so bullish in the crypto sphere right now. In my opinion, I do believe that we're going to break out of this to the upside, right? We usually see these wedges lately end up breaking out to the upside. It's very, very likely that this happens. We've seen this a couple, times throughout crypto's history, the recent history, right? We keep seeing these upward wedges, especially in Bitcoin, breaking up to the upside. So look for this to break up to the upside within the next couple of days, right? We're converging right on that all-time high very, very soon. So this has to break very, very soon. Now let's jump on onto the weekly chart, guys, and see what happened last time we were near the all-time high. So if we look down here back in 2017, when we finally breached that all-time high, you guys can see we had no consolidation whatsoever once we did that. If we zoom in here, you guys can see down here on the left, when we broke that all-time high, it was just like one candle going straight through it and then just pretty much a parabola all the way up with a little bit of consolidation here. But that is pretty much it, right? If we scroll back over here, this is what pretty much could happen again, right? We could just blast straight through this all-time high and continue much, much higher very, very quickly, right? Is that exactly what we did last time? And honestly, every single time we do this, we end up, absolutely just blasting through the all-time high. Same thing down here, guys. When we ended up breaking this all-time high, right? You guys, we pretty much, this was our high, our local high here. We ended up breaking this and we ended up pumping straight up. Same thing here, guys. We pumped straight up after we broke the all-time high. I could see that happening now, or it could be something like this level here, right? Where we consolidated under it. We blasted off above it, came back down to retouch it as support, and then blasted up higher. That is also something that could happen, so look out for that, guys. But I think it is more likely that we just end up blasting straight through this, bearing that Bitcoin keeps going up the way it is having, right? Most of the time, these altcoins are going to follow what Bitcoin does, honestly. So, you guys got to watch what Bitcoin does because Ethereum's going to follow it, and then the rest of the altcoins are going to be going whatever Ethereum does, the rest of the altcoins are going to do whatever Bitcoin does. That's what Ethereum's going to do, right? So take a look at that, guys. And we're going to look at the Ethereum Bitcoin pair real quick to see if we have any hints on, where Ethereum is going based on Bitcoin, right? You guys know we held this critical support down here on the weekly. We wicked right down to it. That was my first support level after we broke this raising channel here. And this is so important because this is the turning point where we could see Ethereum start outpacing Bitcoin. Now, we do need to break, in my opinion, right, on a weekly close, this very important downtrend that we have been forming, right? And we're right at it, right? You guys can see, on the weekly candle, we are right at it. What we don't want to see is us, come back down here, right? We want to break this with authority. When we break that with authority, I think our next level is going to be up all the way up here at this red line and seeing Ethereum catch up on Bitcoin a little bit, where we could come back down and then really retest the top of the channel there and really start a big, giant alt season, right? I think a lot of us want to see a little bit of an alt season. A lot of us are Bitcoin maximalists. either way, guys, Ethereum going up, or we're going to see Bitcoin go up as well. That's what's so great about crypto too, is usually when you see Bitcoin run up, we're going to see altcoins run up, and usually when you see altcoins run up, you're going to see Bitcoin go up or consolidate before it goes up, before the profits come in from the altcoins that just pumped, right? So you guys know, like, this was such an important level for us to hold. This was our, just a lot, our resistance down here, guys. This was our resistance back here. This was just an important level for us to hold, and we just did it and pumped right back into this long term, right, since August of 2019 upwards channel, right? So look out for that, guys. We are getting squeezed right now in between these two levels, right? You guys can see here. We're getting squeezed here before on this downtrend where we had two touches, right? And we're right at our weekly close, right on it, right? And also our long-term support line where we've gotten support on this multiple times, right? And now we're getting squeezed in between these two levels. So look for a major break for this ratio, either to the upside or back to the downside. My target for the downside is obviously creating a double bottom at this green line here. And my target for the upside is this red line here, which was our old resistance over here back in August of 2020. So look out for that on the ratio, guys. Just wanted to quickly touch on that as well. And I want to just quickly look at this, Rich. Obviously, I have been looking at for a little bit, but Ethereum just broke into the top 100 for market cap overall for all entities, right? It is cut off a little bit here, but you got Ethereum is at 140 billion market cap, passing things like Citigroup, right? UPS, Wells Fargo, Shopify, Bank of China, right? Some crazy big companies. Ethereum is now number 90 in the world. That's crazy, right? We're seeing Bitcoin break the top 10. We're seeing Ethereum break the top 100. This is great for exposure to the crypto market, right? Overall, when you have, these retail investors coming in, seeing Ethereum, like, what's Ethereum? Clicking on it, right? Because it's number 90 on the top list of things in the world as far as market cap goes. So that's insane, guys. And Ethereum's just going to keep rising. Ethereum, at the end of this bull market, Ethereum most likely will probably be like in the top 50, top 40, in my opinion. So this is just great upwards progress news here, passing all these companies down here. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did and are new to the channel, make sure you guys press that subscribe button. Like I said, also leave a like on this video. Let's try to hit 100 likes on this video. I'll know if you like the video. I will, trust me. But I'm gonna leave, guys. I'm only gonna make one video today. I have a couple chores I need to do for the rest of the night, so I hope I don't disappoint you. But I will be back tomorrow with the usual 2 videos. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.